Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your contact details so recovery works if something goes wrong. Once signed in, open the Me menu and go straight to Settings and Privacy, then select Sign In and Security. Make sure your primary email and phone are accurate because LinkedIn will use them for verification and recovery. Now click Manage next to two-step verification to begin the process. This moves you from prerequisites directly into the configuration steps without delay. Next, decide how you want the second factor. An Authenticator app is more secure, while SMS is simpler. If you pick an app, open Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone and scan the QR code linked in displays. This pairs the account and generates time-based codes. If you pick SMS, enter the phone number and type the one-time code you receive. Once verified, make sure to label the entry in your app so you can recognize it later. Finish by saving the recovery codes LinkedIn provides. Store them in a password manager or a secure offline location. These are your last resort. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to test the new two-step verification so you know it works. Make sure to revoke old sessions and update any other devices that use your account. Troubleshooting tip: if app codes fail, sync your phone's time with network time or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.